little bird here. She fell out of her. She fell out. Watch this. What happens? She fell out, and as soon as people walk by, the birds will go attack them. The birds attack them. Watch. Bird's gonna attack you. Watch.
Careful.
These birds. Watch. These birds are gonna attack you. Uh-oh. These birds up here are protecting the little one. Every time somebody comes by. Every time somebody comes by, they go after the bird. Uh-oh. Oh, she's next.
Hey,
Uh-oh.
they're going to attack you. The moment going to come after you.
The mother bird's going to come and get you. Watch. It's a sin. Her mother's there waiting. Look at that mother. Our mother's waiting. Every time somebody comes by, the mother bird comes down and attacks them. Uh-oh, she's next. Watch. Watch this. Uh-oh, you're getting attacked again. She's coming after you. Ah! Don't come near me. Oh, these birds aren't playing. What is this guy doing up there?
That must be like the mama and the ant.
It's a mother, the aunt, and the grandmother. There's three of them. Uh-oh. This guy's next. He doesn't know it yet. They're going to come after you. These birds are going to come after you. Watch. Oh, they're coming anyway. Here they come. Oh, I won't go there. I wouldn't. Everybody's stuck in these birds. This bird's on the ground are trying to get her back in the nest.
The baby's on the ground and mama's protecting her.
And the mother's trying to protect her.
Oh, that's why she almost killed me.
Yeah.
Okay. I was just trying to get my food.
She doesn't know that. Okay. Watch this. Somebody's going to get attacked. Okay, they're going to come and get attacked. Yeah, this guy's next with his camera.
Be careful. Watch out.
Oh, yeah.
Be careful. Might come after you.
Unbelievable. Everybody's sitting here with this little bird. As soon as somebody walks by, the birds come after them. This little bird fell out of her nest. Watch this, these guys are next. They don't know what's up. Uh-oh, what you done? This is too funny.
I just wish I would have got that
This
one
is a
girl.
comedy
I
show.
wish I would have got the one girl that freaked out. She's like, what the fuck? She started freaking out.
This is a comedy show. Now she's looking. It's a sin. She keeps talking to them. And they're all pitching in. I love it.
Yeah, I know. Especially so they get the family up there.
The whole family's here. That's so funny. Watch going through them.
Be careful. There's a baby kid down there. Mama's not happy. She's kind of screaming at people. You see that little baby chick on the ground? So the mama's up there. She's kind of trying to protect. Just be careful. That's what I'm saying. Let them go now.
Let her go.
They ain't hurt nobody.
They're gonna what do you call it? They're gonna get attacked. The way she sees when she gets attacked.
She's like, okay, good.
Oh yeah, go near the bird.
Come on.
Yeah, stay there and talk to it. Somebody's getting attacked about right now.
Here we go.
Uh-oh, you are.
Yeah.
No, I ain't attacking nobody. It's too many people. Oh, they're flying over. Uh-oh. That's
Now
a sin.
she's gonna ready to make a move.
Oh, somebody's gonna attack.
Now this guy's in trouble right here. There you go.
Oh!
There you go.
There's three of them. There's one over there, there's one here, and there's another one somewhere else.
Yeah, there's three of them.
Three in a
The
flight.
big black one's the one that goes right at your head.
Yeah.
Here's these two girls.
It's not a big.
We may got some. Yeah, exactly. Don't say anything.
I didn't say that. Oh, they know. Look, they're smart.
Yeah, right. She's chirping.
Here comes another one. They're going to be discussing it.
There we go. We got some victims right here.
All right. Here they come. Is she kidding?
Careful, girl. Careful, girl. I told you. Oh, she come back out. That's Mama protecting her baby. Careful, ladies. Careful. It's all right, though.
Don't even tell them. Don't even tell them. They give you attitude, like you're trying to help people. Oh!
Oh, he don't like you, dude.
This is like a show over here. This is a show.